Good morning everybody, it's Luis from Review Plus and today we are gonna review GoPro Max. GoPro Max is the new 360 action camera from GoPro. This is the updated model from GoPro Fusion, and GoPro promised that this will be the way much better than Fusion. So let's unbox this baby and see what we get. Okay, first impression. It's similar to the GoPro Hero 8. Has the same rubber texture. Has the same housing. And we have the microphone, the battery door. We have this brand new screen, the power button and the trigger button. Also we have the same quick disconnect. Maybe we can reuse this mount later. Okay, so what do we have? Lens covers, camera, these travel bags, and this bag comes with these lens covers, which shouldn't be used underwater, guys. This curved mount, USB Type-C cable, and the battery. However, this battery is not compatible with the other GoPro versions, or vice versa. These covers are pretty good and you should use, guys, if you planning to store your GoPro and you're not gonna scratch your lens. So what feature do we have? Folding fingers, pretty cool addition. Finally, no longer mounting case needed. 3-in-1 camera. So 2 of the camera are for the 360 video. 1 camera we can use for hero mode, and another camera we can use for vlogging, which is pretty cool with the whole screen that we have. We have 3 digital lenses, narrow liner, wide, and max super wide. We have a new redesigned app, so reframing the 360 video will be more easy. We have 360 audio, and we are going to capture a involving area for 360 video, and panoramic photo, 270 degrees capturing images. La escena. Okay, so let's set up this camera with the new GoPro app. Okay, so we need to update your camera first. With this update, you're gonna have the new Hyper Smooth 2.0, which is awesome. I just received this camera today and I'm filming and editing this video right now. So for this video I will not have any demonstration cam, like the stabilization, how the video looks, but I will upload another video with showing this video. Do not forget to follow me in my Instagram account, Review Plus Go, I will be uploading photos and video using these babies. Okay, so a couple more seconds. And boom, finally, we have the first shot in the new GoPro Max. So we're using the GoPro app, and as you see guys, so you can use your GoPro and you see everything on your screen or your phone, and you can set up any specification like hyper smooth or horizontal leveling and everything with the app. And last but not least, do not forget guys that you need to buy a tripod to use this camera or a monopod. So I bought this one. This one GoPro mount is the GoPro Fusion mount, and I think this will be fit perfect for my camera. Looks pretty cool. You can use as tripod or monopod, and it's extendable arm. I can't recommend this camera right now because it's brand new and I'm gonna use it for a couple weeks. But what I can tell you, keep in touch, and for the next week I will upload a video with my recommendation. This is all for today. Do not forget to subscribe. It's free. See ya.